Hey everyone, I want to give you a feel for just how quick and responsive the Crorzar cameras are. Now, this first camera, it's on my home network. It's one of our pan tilt cameras. But you can see it took, what, a half second for the thing to load up. It's 1080p, so just good and crisp, clear. You can see my boys walking around in there. Loads up very, very quickly. The next one here is in our office in Utah. It's over 1,000 miles away. But again, just look at how quickly the thing responds. Loads up the video very, very quickly. Same thing, you can see how responsive it is with the pan and the tilt commands. Moves up and down, very, very responsive. Good, crisp, clear video too. Now the next one, I think this is what really, really proves the point. Hit this button once to wake this particular camera up. It's a doorbell camera. This thing's halfway across the world in one of our warehouses. And look how quickly that responds. It took just a couple of seconds, and I'm watching a live stream from halfway across the world. Compare that to other cameras and other platforms. It takes those things forever to wake up. I have a particular branded camera at my house. Thing takes almost a minute to load up the video. Drives me crazy every time I'm trying to watch anything. This one here, again, super fast response.